Did you know? It's actually possible to find someone's location on Facebook, and there are several ways to do it. Today, I'll show you a few practical tips to help you easily keep track of loved ones and ensure their safety. Method 1. Check location tags. Many people add location tags when posting on Facebook. Just check their photos or videos and look at the bottom for a location tag. Tap on it, and it'll take you to a map showing the location. But keep in mind some people may use fake or random tags, so always verify. Method 2. Check the About section. In a user's Facebook profile, the About section may list their current city or hometown. It's not real-time tracking, but it can give you a general idea of their whereabouts. Method 3. Request live location sharing. Open a messenger chat, tap the plus icon in the bottom left corner, and choose the location icon to ask the person to share their live location. Once they confirm, you'll see their real-time location on the map, which updates every few minutes. Note, this feature is only available in the standard Messenger app. Want to monitor someone's Facebook activity discreetly? Try this powerful tool, MoniMaster, for Facebook. It's a professional Facebook location tracker. Once installed on your child's phone, you can see their real-time location, chat history, posts, and more. It even generates detailed activity reports to help you understand their social media habits. Best of all, MoniMaster stays completely hidden. They'll have no idea they're being monitored. Click the link below to try MoniMaster for Facebook now and protect your loved ones with ease.